Everyone, in this video we are going to see wireless technologies. What is meant by wireless? Wireless, it is an internet connection. We are communicating over the internet without any wires. Our device will be connected to the internet, but there will be no physical medium or a cable or any wires. That is called wireless technologies. So this wire, without any wire, we are connecting to the internet. No, that will be done in two ways. First one is Wi-Fi and another one is WiMAX. So first we are going to look at Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. The abbreviation of Wi-Fi is wireless fidelity. So in Wi-Fi, that Wi-Fi device, that is main device which will be connected to the internet through wires. So till that Wi-Fi device, it will be a wired network. This Wi-Fi device will spread the radio waves. Through the radio waves, the devices which are in the particular area. In Wi-Fi, the range will be 100 yards. So what are the devices present in that 100 yards will be connected to the Wi-Fi device through radio waves, not a physical medium. So here the medium of communication will be the radio waves, not a wire. That's why this Wi-Fi comes under wireless technologies. So the main ultra aim is to transfer the data over the network. So that will be done without any wires, without any wires. So the radio waves are used in wireless technologies, and this Wi-Fi enabled device, for this we need a wireless router or required materials that will be setting up a Wi-Fi connection. So here we are going to see some characteristics of wireless internet connection. The first characteristics, the range of Wi-Fi is 100 yards. As I said, whatever devices, what are all the devices, how many devices, there will be no limits. Whatever devices which are present in that 100 yards will be connected to the Wi-Fi, and we can access the network. Okay, but we need a Wi-Fi supportable devices in our mobile or something, a laptop or a PC that has that Wi-Fi capacity, accessibility. If it is available in our device, then we can connect that device to the Wi-Fi. Okay, and the next characteristics is it is insecure connection. There is no security. Whatever device is available, if they're seeking any permission, then it will be connected to the Wi-Fi. Okay, and the next one is throughput of Wi-Fi is 10 to 12 megabits per second. If it is 10 to 12 megabits per second, in the sense the throughput will be very, very less. Okay, what is meant by throughput? As we have seen in the in the previous video we have studied about this. Throughput in the sense, we will be delivering the data over the network, right? When we are delivering the data, when we are transferring the data, with the data there will be some noise, some collision will be there. It may be possible, right? There are a lot of possibilities will be there. So the data will be transferred from one device to another device with the collision, noise, everything, right? But actual data, whatever we are sending from the one device to another device, that particular data alone, it will take some data range, no? That will be called as a throughput. That throughput will be very less. Here only 10 to 12 megabits per second. Okay, so this physical area of the network which provides internet access through Wi-Fi is called a Wi-Fi hotspot. I told that particular device will be connected to the internet through wires, and with that device we can connect the devices which are present in the 100 yards around that Wi-Fi device. That point where wired network ends, that is called a last mile. That point which is providing the radio waves, which is broadcasting the network, that is called Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, so here we have a lot of limitations, right? These limitations will be overcome by WiMAX. So now we are look into WiMAX. We will see what is that WiMAX about. So WiMAX stands for Worldwide Interoperability for Microwave Access. WiMAX stands for Worldwide Interoperability for Microwave Access. So here also same microwave we are using. And this WiMAX is a collection of wireless communication protocols that are designed by IEEE 802.16. Okay, see, we have protocols for wherever communication is established, there we need some rules and regulations, right? So this WiMAX is a group of collection of wireless communication protocols that are recognized by IEEE 802.16, and it provides multiple physical layer and media access control, MAC, as we have studied already about this. So there will be a lot of MAC options, and it comes under physical layer of the data, right? And this WiMAX forum was established in 2001. There is a forum named WiMAX forum. It was established in 2001 because this WiMAX has some characteristics. They are broadcast wireless access. It is a wireless, so without any wires we can access the internet, and the range of 6 miles. We have seen in the Wi-Fi the range is only 100 yards, but here it is 6 miles, so a step ahead. And the next one is a multi-level encryption available. Encryption, what does it mean? It is a security, data security, but in Wi-Fi there will be no security, so that will be overcome by WiMAX. And here throughput is really high. It is 72 megabits per second, but in Wi-Fi it is only 10 to 12 megabits per second. And there are two main components of WiMAX. The first component is WiMAX base station, and the second one is WiMAX subscriber unit. Base station, in the sense, it's simply a tower which is providing that broadcasting. The tower will be broadcasting the wireless access, right? So through that we can access the internet. So that is called as a base station. While WiMAX subscriber unit, in the sense, users, those are going to access through that base station, they will be called as a subscriber unit. Okay, so whenever the data or message is transferred over the network, for example, if I am sending the message to my friend, my message will go to the base station, and the base station will forward that message to my friend. As the same way, if I want to receive any message over the network, the message will be forwarded by the base station. Okay, so I hope you all get to know what is meant by wireless technologies, and kindly go through the video again and again, then you will be cleared on this topic. Thanks for watching.